Kani kadeka Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Haka program bala pelong ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Shillong da ka Ophis jong Chief Electoral Officer Government of Meghalaya kum ka Sdang ban yalap ya ka phang ban penrung kerteng ban yo thep bot ya ki samla ki blakot khat phras nam karta ringkat ka phang pedeng kum ka Mission Unite UNI towards enrollment u Chief Secretary ka jala wai sharing ula pli ya ka enrollment kum u kongsan ha ka jingran lang u H Brahma u bade Chief Election Commissioner Barem Jongkari India u ba FR Kharkongor u bade CEO ka Jila Meghalaya uba PS Dakhar Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills lembat kiwei ke sarkar. Hakini ka program UH Brahma CEC Barem ula peniat ya ka jingpen bam smai bat peliru ya ka Meghalaya Votes App.
We the citizens of India, having abiding faith in democracy, hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free, fair and peaceful elections and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any inducement. Jai Hind. Election application. Kindly use it for the voting purposes for the coming assembly election in 2018. Kindly use it today, and if you have any doubt, kindly contact our district election officers, our chief electoral officers in our districts. Thank you. Now we are launching.
And you all know that India is the largest democracy country in the world, and we have upheld and awaiting fight in democracy with the odds we have taken today under the active guidance, supervision of Election Commission of India and all the election Chief Electoral Officers, DOs, and all the persons who are concerned with the conduct of election. So today's exercise of awareness is basically focused towards the enrollment and also issue of the epic card. And to that extent, I must congratulate CEO, Deputy Commissioners, and DO, and his team of officers for conducting this event to bring awareness. And also, I congratulate all the new voters who have got their land enrolled in the electoral roll and also got the big card.
It is with this intention that the Election Commission also, they have this program of no voter to be left behind, and all number of voters to be covered under this program. We try to give it a personal touch by saying you and I towards enrollment. So with this objective in mind, this mega event has been planned. It will go on for the next 1 month, and 8th and the 22nd have been designated as special campaign dates in all the districts, in all our 11 districts. Simultaneous kind of campaigns are being launched. But Mission Unite, of course, started in its Khasi Hills district when we gathered and assembled a few heads of institutions, and this idea gained momentum. And what we have now is a campaign and a movement throughout the state.
We are all here to join hands and celebrate at the same time, and to ensure that each and everyone, whether we are here in this JN Stadium ground or elsewhere, we should be able to pass on or communicate to others that it is time for the youth to come closer and to enroll themselves for the benefit as and when it is required for them. Now we know also that the theme of the Election Commission is that to enroll all youth, especially the first-time voters, and therefore this is a platform for each and every one of us to ensure and encourage everybody to come and to enroll themselves.
Hakini ngi palat 8,000 praspa ki khana puli na ki hispa arpotli school na ka nongba kila shimenta banchna ya ka logo jong ka Mission Unite ha madani le ka football ha JN Stadium ya ka Meghalaya votes mobile application la penwandur kum ka G2C mobile application na ka benta ka jingmen to jong ki nang thep bon ha ka jilla banwat bnia ek electoral roll ne ki polling station daga bathap ek jingte bodan kam kum kha district assembly constituency ka kerteng lane ka epic number hakni ngi la samru ek dur thap vote shaki samla ki badang shupenrong kerteng thamai bat la pelat ru ya ka jingwai ne ka team song ringkat ka kunhun ruai samasol ka jingsam ek ki khusnam bat kwe ki jing penbernya
간도 랭키 서거대 어허마 그니작 좀 가져대 어허마 나온 카톡 보조 어허마
Stamp my vote, never be the same. Find my voice and speak my mind. Tell the world.
Kani gadega Batisi TV